immediately stopped. It was supposed to go 7 years. But Jacob arrived, Yaakov, he arrived to Egypt, right away the hunger stopped. What happened? Again, prosperity, all kinds of wealth. Paro realized that's a very holy man. Plus he knew he's come from the family of Abraham and Isaac, which were already very famous. Immediately invites him to a meeting. In this meeting we learn a lot about life and about Hashem. That's a school for life. This meeting, the conversation between Paro and Yaakov. Paro asked Yaakov, how many years you lived? Meaning, how old are you? How old are you? And Yaakov began to complain, just like he said. What's the complaint? The complaint is that I am much younger than what my fathers are. He's only 130. And my life was miserable. My life was miserable. How many words Yaakov said to Paro? I want you to know that Yaakov lived 147 years. As it's written, Vayechi Yaakov, Vayechi is numeric value 34. The first 17 years of his life, he was alive and happy because he was with Yosef, learning with him every day, with his son. So it was wonderful years of his life. Then Yosef disappeared. The last 17 years of his life, when he arrived to Egypt, he was 130. He lived to 147. 17 years with Yosef. 17 plus 17, 34. Vayechi, numeric value, 34. To teach you that from 147 years of his life, how many years were good? Only 34. The rest, miserable. They raped and kidnapped Dinah. His wife, the love of his life, Rachel, died age 36. Lavan took advantage on him 20 years. 22 years he suffered from Lavan. Nightmare. Working for such a crook. And Esav is chasing him for 34 years to kill him. His life was very, very difficult. Shimon and Levi going and kill the whole people of Shechem. Thousands of people. He got so panicked. Wow, now the whole Goyim is going to come and kill us all as revenge. His life wasn't easy. 14 years he didn't sleep on a bed. He was learning Torah in very difficult condition. In a yeshiva of Shem Va'ever. His son disappeared. The love of his life. An animal, bad animal, ate my son. So, Rabotai, he came to Paro and he complained. How many words Yaakov said to Paro? Who knows? How many? Please tell me, Yosef, if Yaakov complained 25 words, why Hashem took 33 years of his life? Paro said 8 words. Paro asked him, how old are you? And Yaakov answered with complaints, 25 words. The question is, Yosef, if you already gave a good answer, let me ask you another question. Why Yaakov had to lose 8 years of his life for the words that Paro said? For the 25 words that he complained, Hashem doesn't like complainers, so he punished him. He took 25 years of his life for the 25 words. But why another 8 years for Paro asking him, how old are you?
Rav Chaim Volozhin says that the reason why is because if Yaakov would have worked on his emunah a little bit more, he wouldn't look so old if I were last.
Wonderful. Yosef, I have an idea. On February, I'm going to Israel for 2 weeks. I have seminars and lectures. Would you want to replace me here? Believe me, you're going to have much more fans here. I'll tell you a story. When my son was 5 years old, my son Eliyahu, my second son, when he was 5 years old, we used to give him tapes of Rabbi Jurvel. There's a good rabbi who used to teach the whole parasha to kids, with voice for kids, you know. Kids would love it. So they would put the headphones on their hands before they go to sleep. They listen to the whole parasha, and he would know a 1 hour speech on each parasha when he was 5 years old. Now I'm giving a lecture in a seminar. There's 500 people in a seminar in upstate New York in a hotel. And I see that in the middle of the lecture, half of the people are gone. Now usually someone gets up and he leaves, he goes to the bathroom and he comes back. He gets a drink, he comes back in. I see the longer I talk, the more people are leaving. I say to myself, something is off here. This is such an interesting topic. Usually nobody lives in the middle of this lecture. When I finish the lectures, I walk out, what do I see? My son is standing there on a couch in the lobby of the hotel with 200 people around him, and he gives them a 1 hour speech about the parasha, and all the Chilonim and some religious people are standing like this, and they get the shock of their life. How can it be? 5 years old can give an hour speech. So Baruch Hashem, you have the same talent. Maybe you replace me here. You come here, we'll make a nice flyer. There's a special guest. I'm sure you're going to have at least 1 hour speech, no? Believe me, it's going to be a big hit.